Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and welcome to Freebie Monday, people. We got a couple of free watch faces that I think are worthy of having in your lineup. So with that being said, be patient and let's kick off this review. Now let's kick off this review. The name of the watch face is called New Strap Band. Very nice looking traditional analog watch face. Now this watch face is meant to complement whatever band that you may have on any given day. But with that, we'll check that out later. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice premium look. It's going to be in a black theme mode. Once the watch face is on, you get a traditional look so far as analog is concerned. I do like the analog hands. I do like the premium, unique second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. That adds a little bit of uniqueness and premium to the watch face. You get a few dials as well. Get your battery percentage over here. You're going to get your days of the week over there. And down at the bottom, that's going to represent your month. Now, I like the look. I like the detailing of the index as well. So I thought my man did a really good job with the watch face, and also you get your date right here. Now this watch face is inactive, so if you need to go in and get your battery info with a single tap, you can tap right here also and get your weather, and down at the bottom you can go into your calendar and also set an event. Check this out though, to make the watch face just that much more convenient, you can single tap there, you can single tap here, and also you can single tap up here, and you can also get your settings. So I thought this was fully packed so far as features and functions for a free watch face. Now what I like most about the watch face is that you can customize the color theme. Just double tap in the middle, and you can change it to many, and I do mean many. This is one beautiful color right here. Let's tap on some more just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this super awesome watch face. Just sit back. Let's check it out for a second. Now, again, very colorful, meant to complement whatever watch band that you may have on for the day. And again, you get many different colors and things to choose from. All right, you all don't go nowhere. We do get another watch face coming up. And with that, let's check out watch face number 2. All right, you all, watch face number 2 is called Tech FB21. This is the free version. I'm quite sure the paid version is going to offer a little bit more features and functionality to the watch face. But this one here, I like simply because of the uniqueness and style of this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you get the nicest look, one that I wasn't expecting considering what the watch face looks like when it's on, but he got down on the AOD mode, I must say. Now when the watch face is on, you do get a unique modern look so far as the analog watch face is concerned. It's going to give you your battery percentage, it's going to give you your date at the top. Down to the right, you're going to get your, of course, heart rate information, and over here it gives you your information on miles walked or ran. So I like the look. The design is definitely different from most watch faces that I've seen, but it's big and bold as well. But it does offer colors, and if you double tap, you can change the theme of the watch face to whatever you want. Now this isn't bad for the free version. If you're looking for more features and functions, then of course get the paid version. But I thought this was nice considering it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Remember, continue to grind hard and it will be over with soon. Hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next one. Take care.